Welcome back again. Thanks you guys for stopping by. Today we're making a tuna salad. So we're gonna cook the pasta, right? We'll put some salt in the water and some olive oil. You're gonna cook the pasta al dente. Okay, you don't want it too soft, right? So that's the pasta right there. As soon as the water start boiling, you throw your pasta in, you add your salt and your olive oil. We'll cook it for about, I would say, 9 minutes boiling. 9 minutes boiling. Then strain, throw it out, and put it in the fridge to chill. Yeah, you see how hot that is. So we'll pop it in the fridge and then we start do the prep. So we're gonna cut up some bell peppers, tomato, and some celery. Yeah, cut it whichever way you want, because you don't know. So yeah, we cut up with tomato, with bell pepper, and with celery, and then we're gonna cut up some red onion to add to that. Yeah. So there I am. So thank you guys again for stopping by and out of your busy schedule for watch my little video. But you don't know this recipe takes like up to 15 minutes. So something quick. You can make a certain amount and then just grab it on the go when you head into work, and you can eat it for your lunch or even breakfast in the morning. So there I go, I took it out the fridge. I have 2 eggs boiling right there. Right, give you guys a look. And then we're gonna add, yeah, don't do like me guys. Get a bigger bowl. So we throw out the pasta. We're gonna add with tuna. So me add a cup and a half of tuna. After you pull your tuna, you dry as much water out of it as possible. Crush it up, dry the water out. So 1.5 cup. So we add the tuna. So we add some mustard. I would say like a tablespoon or about a teaspoon of mustard, right? And then we're gonna add some radish, sweet radish. You're gonna add a tablespoon of sweet radish. Boom. So we add the radish. Then we're gonna add all those peppers that you saw me prepping up. So with tomato, with bell peppers, with red onion, and with celery. Combine. And you add it to your pasta and your tuna. Then, right, so I'm gonna add, after adding all those ingredients, you're gonna add your mayo. I had 2 tablespoons, but you don't know. For all the mayo lovers out there, and whatever choice mayo you choose, you can add the amount you want. But 2 tablespoons is recommended because you don't want it to too overpower your pasta. And then we're gonna add with salt and pepper. So for the eggs now, as soon as they're hard boiled, eggs takes up about what, 15 minutes, and you have some nice egg without getting those brown. When you crack your egg and you open it, you have those brown look around it. So 15 minutes, get some ice, drop it in. We add with salt and pepper to the tuna salad, and it make the shell come off pretty easily when you ice it down. So there you go. I strip down my eggs, kind of speed up the video a little bit because you don't know. So we are crushing with eggs. You can even cut it up if you want in large chunks, but we are crush up with egg, right? And then we're gonna add it, little salt and pepper to it, and then we have some mixed vegetable we may add to it also, and then we add with eggs, and then we mix it all in together and combine it. Taste again and see if you need some more salt and pepper to it, but that was fine for me. And trust me guys, you won't forget it. Really, really good. Takes 15 minutes and you have your own salad for a couple of days. So comment, subscribe, and like, and let me know what you guys think about this particular dish. Trust me, it's amazing.